Are you tired of Google Maps directions not coming through your car speakers while driving? Maybe your phone is connected to Bluetooth, but the navigation voice still plays quietly on your phone or doesn't play at all. I'll show you how to properly fix this. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. From there, tap on Bluetooth and make sure your car is connected successfully. This part is important because if your phone isn't properly paired with the car, Google Maps won't be able to send navigation audio through the speakers. Once that's done, open the Google Maps app. In the top right corner, tap on your profile picture, then go into Settings. Now tap on Navigation Settings. Here you'll find all the voice and audio controls for Google Maps. Scroll down slowly until you see Guidance Audio. First, make sure the sound option is set to unmuted. Sometimes it accidentally gets muted, especially after updates or changing audio settings. Next, enable Play Voice over Bluetooth. This allows turn-by-turn directions to automatically play through your car speakers instead of your phone speaker. Right below that, also turn on Play as Bluetooth phone call. This setting is very useful because some car systems only allow navigation audio if it's treated like a phone call instead of regular media audio. After enabling both options, close the settings and start a quick route in Google Maps to test it. You should now hear the directions clearly through your vehicle speakers. And if it still doesn't work, try disconnecting and reconnecting your car Bluetooth once again. That's how you can fix Google Maps voice directions not working over Bluetooth in your car. Thanks for watching.